everyone. I'm Renalini Padi, and I would like to share a few thoughts about how happiness mania happened in our lives. Actually, I've been working with mentally challenged since the last 30 odd years, and we realized that the pandemic has been cruelest to this vulnerable group of children, and also to the elderly and those who are otherwise differently abled. So one lazy afternoon, my granddaughter Shruti Kanungo and I, we were thinking as to how to reach out to these children, to these souls who are kind of pushed into a dark, cruel world of loneliness. And in fact, these children had a lot of questions as to why should I not be going to school, why should I not be meeting my friends, but they don't know how to ask these questions. So therefore we thought we'll reach out to these helpless souls in whatever way possible. And especially pandemic, as all of you know, was a period of I, me, myself syndrome. So Shruti Kanungo, who was a mere 17-year-old, kind of resonated my thoughts, and we said, okay, to start with, let's have a kind of a virtual format where we get into the homes of these children and said, okay, here is the world there for you. We are here to bring in some cheer and joy into your lives. So that is how we made a very, very humble beginning, with maybe 3 or 4 children. Thereafter, there was a point when we had 45 children of all types of homes. Then we had institutions for the orphans, for old age people, for mentally challenged, whom we kind of met on a regular basis. And then slowly we graduated into an area where we realized that teenagers are feeling very lost in the midst of all this. So therefore we had Happiness Mania Teens. And it is interesting that we didn't end there. We had elderly people like me. We kind of either shared our stories or experiences with the children. And believe me, I for one, my husband and I, it was a huge adrenaline rush to participate in all the Google Meet with all these kiddos. So it is basically, we tried to open the doors of pleasure, and as if we entered a world of Alice in her wonderland, from ages ranging to 3 plus to 60 plus. And now we like to take a little forward to talk about serious storytellings like My Law, My Country. But so that is another story for another day. So that, I think, is how Happiness Mania most humbly started. Yes, one more interesting thing happened is that the teenaged in the group of Happiness Mania teens took it upon themselves to go beyond the virtual world and to actually visit people in the old age homes, and to do up the wall of an institution for the mentally challenged. So not only they believe that it is enough to sit at home and try to guide and help and dance and sing with these children, but they also went beyond and took a great risk during this pandemic to be with people who needed them the most. So I'm very, very proud of my Happiness Mania teens, and I'm extremely grateful to each one of you who has made it possible and who has shared this journey of ours. Thank you, and God bless.